In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use swipe for split screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. As you can see here, if I swipe up, I can quickly open up split screen using my swipe gesture from the bottom. Before you can use this feature, you need to first turn it on. So what I'm going to do is first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. After that, tap on multi-window, then tap on swipe for split screen. Make sure you tap on the toggle button and switch it on. Then after that, to use the swipe for the split screen, first open up an app that you want to use as the first app. So let's say the first app is my Galaxy Store. So I got Galaxy Store open here. Now if I want to open up another app, just below that in split screen mode, I can quickly swipe up with two fingers at the bottom like that, and that will open up the app selection on the bottom half of the screen. In here I can choose the app to open, so I can select any app that I want. So here I can say open up my gallery, and in my gallery at the bottom show my gallery app. The top is my Galaxy App Store. If I want to change to a different app, I can swipe up again with two fingers, and this will allow me to select another app. Now at the middle of the bar here, three dots. If you tap on that, that will give you the option. So here we can switch between the window. So I can move the top panel down to the bottom and the bottom app to the top. And here I can then switch app for the top. So for the top, I can say open up my phone application at the bottom. And if I want, I can now switch back up again. And that is how you can also change apps for the top panel and the bottom panel. To add this favorite pair, you can tap on it and then tap on the favorite icon. In here, you can tap on add pair to home screen. So on the home screen, whenever you need to quickly open up those split screen pair, you can just tap on that, and that will allow you to quickly open up the top app as a phone application, and the bottom is the messages application. And so you can even save those split screen pair as well. To close it, you can swipe up like that to close the pair, or you can just tap on the home button to close it. And here I can also swipe up to close the pair as well. So here if I tap on that, and then if I swipe up like that, that will allow me to close the split screen pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.